Unraveling the Mystery of Midnight Magnetism. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and somewhat poetic expression in the English language: midnight magnetism. This phrase is not just a combination of words but a rich tapestry of meaning and imagery. So, if you're ready to explore the depths of this expression and add a spark of creativity to your language skills, stay tuned. At first glance, midnight magnetism might seem like a complex term, but let's break it down. Midnight refers to the middle of the night, often considered a magical, mysterious, or even romantic time. Magnetism is the force of attraction or the ability to attract. When combined, these words create a phrase that speaks to a powerful, almost irresistible attraction that feels most intense or magical during the night. Midnight magnetism is rich in symbolism. Midnight, with its quiet and darkness, often represents mystery, the unknown, or transformation. Magnetism symbolizes attraction, connection, and intensity. Together, they evoke images of a time and state where attractions are felt more deeply, emotions are heightened, and connections are more intense. This phrase can be used to describe a range of experiences, from the allure of a city at night to the deep, unspoken bond between people. This expression isn't just limited to everyday conversation. It finds its way into literature, poetry, and songs, where it's used to convey complex emotions and settings. Writers and artists often use midnight magnetism to describe scenes or moments filled with intense emotions, profound connections, or a sense of mystery and allure that the night brings. Incorporating midnight magnetism into your language can add depth and vividness to your storytelling or descriptions. Use it when you want to emphasize the intensity or mystical quality of a nighttime setting or relationship. For example, the city was alive with midnight magnetism, drawing us into its vibrant nightlife. Or, there's a certain midnight magnetism between them that's undeniable. We hope this exploration of midnight magnetism has illuminated its meaning and inspired you to appreciate the beauty and depth of the English language. Whether you're describing a scene, a feeling, or an indescribable attraction, this phrase can add a layer of mystery and intensity to your narrative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this enchanting expression in your conversations and writings. Until next time, keep exploring the magic of language.